We have many situations where people are bit by dogs, and the first thing you've got to find out is whether that dog had its rabies shots. So you have to identify who the owner is. You want to report it to the local police agency, or if they have a dog control person, to report it to them, and they can verify whether or not this dog had its shots, because if it didn't, you might be in a situation where they got to quarantine the dog and test it so to make sure that you don't need to get rabies shots and things of that nature. And beyond that, if it is a serious dog bite situation, the dog bite laws in New York are a little different than some other areas or some other states, in that we have to show that the dog had some type of vicious propensity or propensity to act in the way it did before your actual incident. So we like to get people out canvassing the areas, talking to neighbors, talking to mailmen, UPS drivers, FedEx drivers. People are in that neighborhood all the time that may have had contact with this dog, that may be able to shed light on whether or not this dog has some vicious propensities, barking, growling, trying to go after people in the past. We had a case where we got a mailman, we got an affidavit from a mailman that actually saved our case, and talked about how this dog would go after him every time he delivered the mail. So when you have those types of things, it really helps us get over the hump as far as proving the dog's vicious nature.